How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So it's pretty easy steps to follow. Let's go ahead and open up our Facebook. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on my menu at the below right, and from here you're gonna see the options right here. You're gonna see groups, saved, pages, and here you will see marketplace. So I'm gonna click on the marketplace, right? And as you can see right here, you will witness a lot of products right here inside the marketplace. So if you want to sell your own product, just go ahead right here and click sell at the top left right here. And here what you're gonna do, we're gonna create our new listing by clicking create listing, and from here you're gonna select the section items, vehicles, homes, for sale or rent. So let's have an example, items. Okay, I'm gonna continue right here. I'm gonna wait up for a few moments, and here if you want to add photos for your product and add title for it and the price range, let's have an example 25. Okay, and select the category for it. Let's say home and garden, entertainment or clothing, accessories, family, and electronics. Let's have an example, electronics. Okay, or mobile phones, and select the condition, use, like new, and the description more about this product. Okay, you're gonna scroll a little bit down right here. You're gonna find the location. If you want to edit the location, you can always do that. And if you want to add more details, you can just go ahead right here and add more details. And here it says the listing options. It says right here, if you want to hide it from your friends, just toggle this one on, so it will be hidden from them. And here it says list in more places. If you want to list it in like more than one place, just go ahead right here. And it says right here, suggested groups you should join in to market your, or let people reach out to this your product, and afterwards if you want to add like additional listing options, you can just go ahead right here. It says right here, it says follow our rules for selling, add the clear photos, include details, description. Here are the steps to actually help you reach your audience better from Facebook. Okay, and you're gonna hit next and you're gonna read it. Okay, and it says right here, no animals. This includes pets, live animals, livestock, animal parts, and all that. And you're gonna hit next, and you're gonna follow the rules. And here, as you can see, add the description and everything for our new listing right here. If you want to add a color and something like this, you're gonna be specify about this. You need to be specific about this, so you can offer more information for the client. So if you want to offer shipping, you can just toggle on offer shipping, and you're gonna add the photo. Let's say for example, I'm gonna just add like an example kind of a photo. Let's say for example like this one. All right, and you're gonna hit next, and you're gonna list it in groups. Okay, and this is the groups that you should join in to do the marketing for your your product. Okay, and afterwards, after you finish, you're gonna hit publish at the top right, and you're gonna wait until it's published. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.